You guys have no idea how long I was looking for one of these in this exact spec. 2015 Q50S. I'm super excited to bring you guys a lot of content with this car. As you guys see by today's title of the video, I will be getting a muffler delete for my Q50. I'm gonna let you guys hear the stock roar. So quiet, bro. I feel like I'm in a grandma car right now. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys some stock revs. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard like a stock VHR, but for those of you guys that haven't, here it is. It's time, guys. Alright guys, well, the buffer's deleted. Alright guys, we're almost done. Got my Tomei on. Look at that Tomei right there. Alright guys, well here's the new mod. RSR super down lowering springs. Alright guys, so before car gets lowered, here's the before and after. See how it looks. Way better. Wow. I actually didn't think you were gonna lower it that much. Perfect. Oh hell yeah, that's perfect.
Stands changes the look, man, on any car.
Perfect, bro. Perfect for a daily driver. Here's the before, and it's on. Oh my goodness, guys. For a free wing that I randomly found on my yard, this is freaking amazing. Carbon fiber. Yeah, it's not like brand new, but for free, bro, all day. Yes, sir. And there's no V2 wheels. Alright guys, here are the test pipes. Try to show them. Sick ass food. Bro, this thing sounds pretty freaking good, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, bro, this thing is loud. Oh, I think that's a cop right there too. Is it? Oh yeah, way better. Alrighty, here's the Tomei. Shout out to my boy Jeff. You already know the deal. Got this fat hookup on this Tomei. Go ahead and unbox it for you guys. Yes, sir. Brand new Tomei. These mufflers are bigger, I believe. They are, right?
The tip, yeah, the tip is longer.
That's what she said. Oh damn, bro, this thing is huge. This thing is huge.
The whole thing is longer.
Bro, there's no way. It's like the size of my arm.
The Mandingo.
Literally, bro. Let's get this Tomei on, bro. Goodbye, ugly straight pipes. The resonators are so small, bro. So sick, bro. So clean. Definitely worth the money, bro. Beautiful, bro. Alright, guys. Tomei's on. Let's go ahead and start this beast up, see how she sounds. Fuck, bro. I'm like a little kid right now. Let's get a little thotty right here. The first complete cold start with the new exhaust. Let's see how it sounds. I'm kind of scared. You guys might wonder why is this exhaust on the truck. It's because I may or may not put it back on right now on the Q50. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the muffler shop like I said on the last video, because my whole exhaust is like hitting super low. 67,000 miles. Might be the last cold start with the Tome. Not sure yet. But look how low it is. It's ridiculous. Just really quick so I can show you guys what I mean by it hanging too low. My apologies for the dirty car it's been raining, like I said. So yeah, it definitely sits pretty low. Don't get me wrong, I'm not like scraping on like the floor. It's not that low, but let's say like going up my driveway, it will scrape it, and I'm gonna record it so you guys could hear. I'm super angled, so I'm not sure if it's gonna do it. Oh, no, I didn't do it. But I have to go pretty much super angled. Sometimes if I park facing forward, there goes my bumper. I don't know what just happened, but it seems like I started scraping on the floor in my garage. Bro, I can't make this up. What the? Bro, I can't make this up. I don't know if this thing like fell or something. Rest in peace, Tome. It's for sale. Goodbye, Tome. You'll be missed. I'm literally sad right now, bro. And the sad music isn't helping. Oh my god, it's so much quieter, bro. Oh, guys, these are the new wheels for the Q. Some RPF 1. It's funny because I've always wanted a set of these. And they literally found me, bro. He literally hit me up yesterday and was like, "You down to trade?" And I was like, "I'm down." I'm just a little scared of how the 18s are gonna look on this car, but we'll see. Let's go ahead and install them.
2,000 years later.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and drop this thing. Hey, bro, this thing looks like a race car now, looking.
Bro, no, for real. That shit changed the whole look.
It looks pretty good. I kind of want to do a pull because these things are lighter. I feel like it's gonna be a bit faster. Should I try it? Oh, bro, did you guys see that? Oh my god, this is fun. Guys, I cannot get over this setup. I don't know what it is about it, but I love it, dude. I love it. It looks so beefy. It looks fast, but it's not fast, but still. Some new wheels today. Kind of. Is it considered getting new wheels?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, the Q50 is getting new wheels. All right, guys. Wheels out. Now, let's go get the new tires. Or the new wheels, I'm sorry.
12 seconds later.
All right, guys. I traveled the whole other room to get these new wheels. I've actually been wanting to put my Nismos. You hear my dog? I wanted to put my Nismos on the Q forever. First impression.
Damn, it looks sick, dude. This side looks way better.
This car literally looks insane. What do you guys think? RPF 1s or the 57s? I'm going with 57s all day, bro. Guys, this car looks so much better. That's crazy. Crazy what some wheels could do to this car. Damn. I'm not gonna lie, bro. It looks really good. It's nighttime. I know you guys probably can't see the best, but damn, son. What do you think?
I like it.
Damn, son. Sometimes the littlest things make the biggest difference, bro. The wheels, the lip.
12 seconds later.
Well, so much for having a lip. It lasted probably like 5 minutes. Wow, bro, that's ridiculous. So as you guys know, I saw the RPF ones that were originally on this car. I put these wheels on this car, and I told you guys that I was gonna buy a set of wheels for this car or buy a pair for the Z. Long story short, I was gonna buy stocks for this car, just because I'm playing with the idea of potentially selling it once the Z is back. But I thought, why not just buy some cheap wheels, so at least it's not on stocks. Damn, they're looking packaged very nicely. Ooh, these are nice. Like I said, I wasn't expecting much. I paid $700 for the whole set, but honestly, they're pretty nice for the price. Guys, there goes the wheels. Ended up setting the wheels on the Q50. Actually, I traded them. And here's what's on the Q50. Damn, got some Contes. I think that's how you say it. I'm not gonna lie, bro. These things look pretty freaking good. I didn't think they were gonna look that good. Damn. That looks fire. Just like that. Just got these wheels and I already took them off. Current situation of the Q. I'm not gonna go meet up with the homie that's waiting for me actually already, so I ain't really got time to film. I gotta hurry up.
20 minutes later.
Alright guys, just like that, about 10 minutes later, I'm back home. Sure love, you guys guessed it. I said this in my previous video. That's funny, when I first got the car, when I first lowered it, this is the first set of wheels that I actually wanted to buy. Even though they're stocks, they're not stocks for this exact model. And I feel like these wheels look so freaking fire, bro. I don't know why, I've always loved these wheels. For stocks, this looks fire. Damn, bro, this look, you can't tell me it does not look fire. It's time, guys. Damn, tuning the Q. So it turns out we can't tune because this ECU is what?
You
kind of locked.
That's why. Yeah, that's fine.
Hold on, what happened, Adrian? Can you
So, unfortunately, with Jay, have an unknown ECU version means this is one of the first times this car's ever been tuned. Like, it's ECU, right? I gotta dump the ROM, the information of the ECU, send it to ECU Tech. They'll crack it, make a file, and then send it to me in like 2 to 3 weeks.
So it's locked?
Basically. No, not that it's locked, it's just it's never been, this type of ECU's never been tuned before.
So you do that with everybody?
No. You just...
I'm all the way in the back and I just hear my car start. So you're gonna start tuning my car without even being here?
Map 1 is your kill map.
Okay.
Map 2 is kill your engine map.
Oh, okay. So for sure. Oh,
Let's
can you
try
leave it in
map
map?
2.
Alright, yeah, alright.
Let's try it. It should work fine.
Bro. Damn, that shit's loud as hell. This car already feels more torqueier, bro. The OEM first look was cool, but I feel like I need something a little bit more not so OEM. So if we're in another boosted Z, you guys have to know what wheels we're getting. Black chrome RPF ones, baby. These are gonna look so good on the Q. You guys know how to best you guys with this gas station lighting. I'm telling you guys, these color wheels with this color car goes crazy. All I need is a front lip, and just like that, a little bit of tape and a little bit of screws later, lip is on. We have a pretty exciting video today. I might be half asleep, but we are going to be doing a pretty sick mod to the Q today. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is just yet, but I do think it's going to be one of my favorite mods I've ever done to this car. I'm pretty sure you guys can tell what's happening. This thing is going to be so sick, bro. Alright guys, here's the Q. Let's see what's new to this. Oh, my boy. Stars on the roof? What? I bet you guys didn't expect that. Damn. This is dope, bro. Go ahead and take this apart. Fast forward like, what, like 10 minutes? Everything's pretty much taken apart. Now just gonna swap the bracket onto the new one and put everything back together pretty much. Damn it. Yes! Oh my god, my heart dropped, guys. I thought it didn't work. Oh, thank you, God. Let's go. Finally. I thought it wasn't gonna work. Now, time to install the lip. This car looks so ugly lipless. I actually lost it the other day. I don't know if I mentioned it already in the rain. Alright guys, just like that, lip number, I think this is number 5 or number 6, is on. This one shouldn't fall. I hope it doesn't fall. Sheesh. Carbon fiber diffuser. Okay. Sorry for the mess, but the Q is finally getting the love it deserves. Alright guys, got my boy Eric. He just pulled up. I was like, I could use a second pair of hands. He pulled up for me, so thank you for that. And let's get this show on the road. Alright, side skirt is on. Okay. Alright guys, so the oil change is done, and after about 10 minutes of playing with this, I ended up taking this off. Let's go. And I actually don't think I broke any tabs. It looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. It looks a lot better than stock, I'll tell you that much. So here's this one. And then there's boring gold stock. So yeah guys, this is how the Q is looking. Not too shabby for a daily. Not too shabby. I really like those mirrors, bro. What do you guys think? Would you guys daily this? I'm honestly very happy with the car now.